toast is fire here. I'm good. How are you? Yeah. Also, guys, Shelly and I have like a 1 million won bill for our food here, which is a lot of money in US dollars. So if anyone wants to like help us because we're just starving, let us know, guys. We're starving. We've literally only had room service the whole time we've been here because we haven't had time to go eat. So, yeah. Did you guys see it was snowing yesterday out here? We left Gala. They had us walking out to these buses, the shuttle buses, in the fucking our dresses, and it was snowing. I was like, okay, guys, I need this to stick on my lashes. Okay. You want DoorDash or what? No, baby, I want money. You got some? You got some money for me? Probably not. Yeah, she was not feeling it. I'm almost done with my sickness, guys.
In the bread.
No, it's the caramelized on the outside. I don't like the caramelization. I don't like that taste. I thought I did, but I don't.
It tastes like
I haven't done anything. I have not left the hotel except for when I went to Gala. So I'm hoping that today, because we're supposed to go do something and then we're gonna go, I can see everything.
Like as soon as you're done. It's already 11. So we still gotta go downstairs and get a taxi and shit. And it's 25 minutes away. Okay.
It's not even ready. Cody? I'm pretty ready. I'm just doing this to do things to make my time easier later. Don't worry about me, huh? Oh my god, bitch. I'm a motherfucking bitch. It's like my what, guys? Okay, we're almost at 3 stars. That's cute. We need 160 diamonds, chat. Who got me?
Explain.
Also, I look like a Smurf today in my outfit. You guys are gonna see it. You say you love me, never mean to know. You say you love me, never mean to know. Thank you. I'm so pretty. Thank you. Oh my god. I'm an AI. Oh, who sent me that? Thank you. I'm in a rebate. Oh. I just started. Oh, maybe I need 5K. Is it true you have to go on a bridge over water for like 15 minutes? I'm not gonna lie to you. On the ride to the hotel from the airport, I was laying down. I don't know. I didn't see anything. I didn't see nothing. That's crazy. Patrick, we weren't even talking about that. What are you talking about? Hey, Drama. Okay, guys, we need 107 diamonds for our 3rd star.
Okay.
This is so hard to get on. But when it's on, it's on. What's that beeping noise?